Hello, I'm Justine Murphy with Vision Systems Design's Focus on Vision. There are a lot of exciting things happening in machine vision and imaging. Let's take a look. There was a lot going on at this year's Automate trade show, organized by the Association for Advancing Automation, not least of which was the announcement of the winners of Vision Systems Design's 2025 Innovators Awards. The awards program celebrates the best innovations and technologies in the machine vision and imaging industry in bronze, silver, gold, and platinum tiers. Recipients are chosen by an independent panel of judges based on originality, innovation, and overall impact across several categories: cameras, frame grabbers and imaging boards, software, development kits, optics, lenses, lights, and connectivity products such as cables, connectors, and interfaces. This year's honorees at the platinum level are MST Vision with its photometric stereo line scan solution, a product designed for imaging of fast-moving large surfaces, Teledyne DALSA's Linea HS2, a 1 MHz multi-array TDI camera designed for high-speed imaging in light-starved conditions, and Vision Research's Phantom TMX 7510, a camera that achieves over 76,000 frames per second at full 1 megapixel resolution. Congratulations to all of the winners. Trumpf Incorporated, a global tech company focusing in manufacturing solutions for laser technology and machine tools, has opened its newest smart factory in Farmington, Connecticut. Representatives of the company, which is part of the Trumpf Group, say this is the largest of their smart factories in the U.S. The opening event, held this week, was marked with an official ribbon-cutting ceremony, as well as tours of the new facility and talks by Lutz Labisch, President and CEO of Trumpf Incorporated, and John Froley, the head of Economic and Financial Affairs with the German Embassy. Also featured was Dr. Nicola Leibinger-Kammeler, CEO of the Trumpf Group and daughter of Berthold Leibinger, former head of the company, who was an integral part of its global expansion and success. Connecticut Governor Ned Lamont also attended, along with industry executives, end-user companies, and Trumpf employees, many of whom work in the new Connecticut facility. This new smart factory should increase local and U.S. production of lasers and other machine tools, and features an expanded training center and apprenticeship program to prepare the next generation workforce. Interact Analysis, a UK-based market research firm, recently released its forecast for the machine vision industry. They predict the global machine vision market will grow by 1.5% this year and 5.2% in 2026. The firm does forecast a rosier growth outlook for the remainder of the decade, however: 8.3% in 2027, 8.5% in 2028, and 9.8% in 2029. They say, too, that by 2029, the global machine vision market should be worth $7.7 billion, overtaking the $6 billion value the industry logged in 2022, when restocking post-COVID led to robust sales. This forecast for growth follows several years of declining revenues that fell 2.8% from $6 billion in 2022 to $5.8 billion in 2023, and 3.9% from $5.8 billion to $5.6 billion in 2024. Interact Analysis bases its growth forecast on several market trends, including the increasing prevalence of more complex and expensive systems such as those involving 3D imaging. Another growth driver is the use of deep learning algorithms and other neural networks in machine vision applications, which expand the types of industrial processes that can be automated. And that's it for this edition of Focus on Vision. Be sure to like and share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on social media, and visit vision-systems.com for the most up-to-date, interesting, and exciting news impacting the machine vision and imaging industry.